In the frozen silence of the Arctic, a tiny cub wandered alone, face, cold, hungry, and lost. When a faint heat signal appeared on their radar, the team knew, someone needed help. Through the storm they drove, guided only by hope and heart.
Buried beneath the ice and wind, they found a heartbeat, faint but fighting.
Every second was a battle at warmth against the cold grip of death.
And then, a breath. The sound of life returning to the frozen world.
Day by day, strength returned. The little survivor began to play again.
And when the day came, they let him go, back where he belonged. Because even in the coldest places on Earth, love can bring warmth to life.